Lot 308 will need to be purchased by a dealer or out-of-state resident due to California emissions. It is the 1988 Lamborghini Countach QV, so named for its 4 valve heads. In the mid-1980s, imagine 420 horsepower from a 5.1 liter V12. This was truly something otherworldly. Now imagine how difficult it must have been for this car's 3 owners to avoid the temptation of getting behind the wheel and driving it regularly, but instead choosing to preserve this car in meticulously perfect condition. Today it has only 2,800 miles from new and is in amazing condition with original paint and interior. Sports cars are often driven extremely hard, some crash, some worse. This car has been preserved perfectly.
That is quite impressive actually, Alan, that it's only got 2,800 actual miles on that car. Very, very special indeed, ladies and gentlemen. What should we say? Where do you want to start the bidding on this very, very special Countach? I'm going to open the bidding here at I read your mind. At $200,000, thank you. At $200,000, no reserve and selling already. Right here on my right, at $200,000. Do I have $225,000 anywhere in the room? Opening bid here, $225,000. Thank you, Alex. $225,000. $150,000 I have at $250,000. Selling, of course. At $250,000, do I have $275,000? Thank you. $275,000 on my left. $300,000. Thank you. At $300,000, I'm bid here in the front row at $300,000. You're both out, gentlemen. At $300,000, do I have $325,000, or I shall sell here at $300,000? That is selling. Make absolutely no mistake. I'm not going that quickly. $310,000. I know. 320,000. Back in with me at 320,000. 2,800 miles, and you're not going to bid me again. Wow, you're a brave man. Well, your choice. At $320,000, I'm selling the car here, and you're not buying it. It's going right here in front of me. You won't find another one with that mileage, but what do I know? I just do this all the time. At $320,000, then it's selling right here in front of me, and it's going for the first time. At $320,000, it's going for the second time, ladies and gentlemen. I'm selling the car for the $330,000. Back in with me. I know. It's not him, it's behind you. $340,000. With a smile, or would you like to have a tactical bid? That's always exciting at auctions. Yeah, you like doing that? All right, okay, just checking. What would you like to do? Would you like to bid me again? $335,000, he said. $340,000 if you like. I'm taking 5 here, I'll take 5 from you as well, of course. We're at $335,000. Well, I'm going to sell right here to the front row, and it's going for the first time. At $335,000 then, seems inexpensive to me, but hey, at $335,000, it's going for the second time, third and last time. If you're absolutely sure, for $5,000, are you all done? All finished at $335,000. So, your car, well done. 1077, $335,000.